teacher.
How are you today? What's your name? My name is Teacher Spider. How old are you? Okay, good job, Kim 5. Yes, now let's talk about animals. Let's go. What animal is this? Look here. It's a tiger. Good job. What animal is it? Yes, kangaroo. Good job. What animal is it? Yes, look here. Look here. What animal is it? Giraffe. Good job. What animal is it?
Monkey.
Good. What animal is it? Yes. Dinosaur. Good job. What animal is it? Elephant. Good job. Now let's go here. Giraffe, monkey. Which is small? Yes. Which is small? Monkey. Okay, good. And which is big? Which is big? Giraffe is big. Okay, good. Let's go. What animal is this? And what animal is it?
Dinosaur.
Good. So the dinosaur and the kangaroo, which is big? Which is big? So what animal is that? The dinosaur is big. Okay, and the kangaroo is small. Good. Let's go. Tiger and elephant. Which is smaller? Yes. No. Which is small? Small. Yes. The tiger is small, and the elephant is big. Okay, good job. Now let's sing the song or read the chant. Big and small, big and big. Again, big and big and big. Okay, please no, thank you. Please no. Please, 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 please. No. Good job, Kim 5.